Hello YouTube, RJ. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and take a look at my new Yaesu M-90D desktop mic for my new Yaesu FT710 that I just purchased. And so let's get right into it. Right off the top, looks like we have our instructions from Yaesu. Doesn't look very complicated at all. We have our specs down here. And it looks like we have Japanese, Chinese something on the back. So, set that over here. And let's get this rascal out of the box. So it looks like it's pretty well assembled. And that's all there is to it, is just the instructions. You've got your mic cable. Mic cable's got a standard 8-pin on one end and then modular for most of the new Yaesus on this end. So let's open up the mic and take a look at her. So it's got the modular connection already coming out of it, fixed. So looks like if you're not going very far from the radio. So one thing I'll say is this isn't very long, so you're not going far from the radio, but I imagine you can probably, I would assume you can probably put this cold in and out, but I guess you're stuck with this pigtail then after that. I mean, who wants to open up and try to get rid of that? So this is very floppy, but it tells you on here to tighten this, adjust it to point the way you want it. So it's got knurled finger knobs. So does the height, or I should say tilt for it. Oh no, I see. I'm sorry, that makes sense. I'm being dumb. This cable goes to the back of the mic. Okay, so we just need to push it in, make sure it clicks. That makes sense. Okay. And so let's tighten her up a little. All right. A little bit of a soft feel on the push to talk. It's got a lock button. Lock button's kind of snappy. This is a little soft here. Maybe it'll wear in a little bit. A little soft to my like. Doesn't spring back snappy at all. It's very soft. So some people might find that if you watch, I pull my finger away quick enough, you can see it takes a moment for it to pop up. Some people may not like that. And it may wear in a little bit, but okay, so now I see from the instructions now that I took a brief look over at them. If you have a modular plug on your Yaesu, you plug the 8-pin in here and use the modular. If you have an 8-pin, you plug the modular in the modular jack here and use the 8-pin. So it works with either one, no problem. So we'll go ahead and put this in. And let's talk about the weight. The weight's not real heavy, but it's not, you know, this is all plastic, the metal base. Base feels metal maybe. Got a low cut switch in here, off and on. This is all plastic. Lots of plastic. It's not heavy. It's not going to be like an old D104 or whatever, but it's definitely not going to knock over. You got plenty of weight to keep, you know, you're not going to knock it over moving around and such. So not too bad. All right, well, I won't be able to tell you much about the audio quality or, you know, anymore. So when I review the radio here in a few weeks, I'll include what I think of the mic at that time. So thanks for watching.